Okay, today is the day that we start the Honda Fit rebuild series. If you don't know, I am doing a giveaway. I know. On my 2013 Honda Fit Sport. Has anyone ever did a giveaway on a Fit? Probably not. So I could say I'm trailblazing. Well, technically not, because I did launch this kind of like 3 weeks ago, and we're kind of almost there, so it ain't too bad. But I have high hopes that in this video, you will see the changes and be like, Zosh, I fuck with you, bro. I want to enter. I just saw your new t-shirt design on your website. It's pretty cool. I want to enter and show love and support. Well, brother, you can. But before we get to all that goodness, graduationness, roll the intro. You guys are taking home my daddy's car. Which one's gonna be? Right, mamas? Right, mamas? Who's gonna take home daddy's car? Who's gonna take home daddy's car? Who's gonna do it, huh, mamas? Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? So if you're new here, what's going on? I'm the GOAT, aka Zosh. I've had this Honda Fit for going on almost 2 years, but the time has finally come, pause, to move up in a way where I'm finally able to obtain my dream car, and it's time to let one of the cars go. I have a total of now 4 cars, not 3 anymore, I got 4. So it's time to let some things go, and one of the cars being my 2013 Honda Fit. Let me show you what it's about. This is my 2013 Honda Fit Sport. Now, as you can tell right off the bat, these headlights they're not having a good time. I did a whole build on this car. I did the JDM embling, I painted the cowl, the wiper blades, cleaned up the headlights the best I can, added a big brake kit, painted this car white. This car isn't originally Horizon Gray Metallic, but I painted it. Added the JDM clears, added OEM badging everywhere, did the JDM rear wiper mod, picked up this HKS Axleback exhaust from the junkyard for $20. Did the diffuser deletes to make it look more aggressive, and I believe it does. I have my best friend's dad's wheels on the car because he doesn't have no idea what he had, but he let me borrow them until I'm able to get rid of the car. So just for future notice, these wheels will not be on the car. Now I could replace them with these wheels again if you'd like, but by the time I get to that point, I'll already have polled and seen what you guys wanted. Let me show you the interior of Old Girl, because I did some things. And one of the things is, if you can see it, which you probably can't because it's dark in here, but I did do the 8th gen Civic Si seat conversion for both seats. And yes, it's wired up correctly. I have P2M floor mats in this bag thing. I have a Toto X10 radio. I have the big mirror thingy majig, and that's pretty much it. Just simple interior bits and pieces. Oh, I also have a SIG P365 X macro, so yeah, that's not coming with the car, but I have. That's pretty much it. I didn't do the JDM emblem thing for the steering wheel. I think it's a bit tacky, so I just left it alone. Yeah, pretty much the interior. So the rebuild process of this car isn't something spectacular. It's just me going over the car and cleaning up all the imperfections to the best of my abilities. To give you guys a quick little rundown what I'm going to be doing, I got new headlights. That's the first thing we're gonna do to this car, is replace these OEM ones, keep them, clean them up, and then probably sell them, so that can further help this whole giveaway process thing. But I got brand new ones, black housings, baby, you know what's up. Put those in and then go around the car and clean up all the imperfections. So this might be a 2-part, maybe 3-part series, because I do got to get wheels. I have to clay and detail the car, so that might be its own video. But I do got some things that I want to fix in this video in particular. So let's tackle these headlights first, because And we gotta do some paint stuff, which today's sponsor is Rust-Oleum. Paid for by my wallet. Ain't no sponsor here. I'm the damn sponsor. I must admit, this shirt is way too heavy and it's too damn hot. So, Zosh's heavyweight t-shirts, they don't do good when it's 100 degrees outside. Just a heads up. So if you buy anything off the merch website, I pretty much print in a nice like Shock-Aware or Comfort Colors or the Hanes heavyweight tee, beefy tee. Just a heads up. I like the way oversized feel and looks. Like I like this a lot. So just be aware. Don't wear these type of clothing when it's 100 degrees outside. I also did a HPS hot air, cold air install. Whatever you want to call it, I did it. If you say it's a short ram, yes. But also it does have the factory cooling because right here, air will go through there and then it'll dump right on there, kind of, in a way. I don't know, whatever. I do have it. I also have the OEM stuff. So if you want to put it back to factory or OE spec, I got that as well. But anyway, in order for us to do these headlights, because you have a bolt here, and you also have a bolt where the bumper's at. So, well, the grill's at. But anyway, I'm gonna take off the bumper anyway, because I am also going to be fixing this grill. You see all the white speckles and jeckles and neckles? Yeah, we gotta fix that. So, we got some work on our hands. Let's get started. So now that the bumper's off, we have a 10 mil there, 10 mil up. Well, this is already accessible, duh, but this one's not accessible. And we have a 10 mil there, and I believe one way back there, yeah. Real quick, I want you to see this overspray. Just know that I got kind of brand new. Got it from the junkyard, but the fit was fairly new. I got all new of these, so this will be gone. All this overspray stuff, gone. That's the only bad thing about paint shops that don't really care or take pride in what they do. They just get overspray everywhere. Like my crash bar got overspray, this got overspray. Yeah, I clean up all the exterior overspray, but yeah, that sucks. Know if you can see the sweat that's profusely leaving my face, but I would really appreciate if you feel pity and enter this giveaway. It's a lot of begging going on, but I can't wait to show you guys my car. I just need this car gone so I can have cheaper insurance and get this car out of the driveway because I have no space because the Integra lives in there. Yeah. And maybe now you guys can get to see how bad it really is. But like, brother, this thing is grits. I mean, they could be saved, but for content purposes, let's just install new ones. I've already tried saving these, but I just have to do it again. But I'd rather do that later, on a later date, and then list them up on Facebook Marketplace or something like that. But these are OEM, so Stanley. The new headlights are literally resting underneath the old Johnnies. So let's unbox and see what these things thinking though, twin. That is why we do it, for the content. Yes, of course, could have cleaned these up, made these things look really sweet, but bruh, ain't nothing beating that. There ain't nothing on planet Earth beating a fresh set of headlights, bro. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Fire.
Fire.
Let's get them installed. friend looks amazing. That is fresh AF. Street Legacy for the win. I have all new upgraded hardware, so shout out to Street Legacy. Chris, I appreciate you, brother. It would always come in handy eventually. I painted this thing right here, so we went from ashy to classy. I wouldn't be okay leaving this light alone, so we're gonna use some McGuire's Ultimate Compound and see if we can get these bad girls crystal clear. It is super hot outside, so that's why I haven't been filming, but to give you guys an update on what's been going on, I can do that. I can do that. Okay. Starting with the bumper. Did you know you could remove the inner mesh grill thingy, not mesh, but the inner grill on the fit bumper? Yeah, you can do that. This is painted. This is polished out, well, compounded out. Now this is icy to match the passenger side. That is the garnish for it. And I'm just now spraying the inner piece, the inner grill. This right here, bro, fire. Give it that OE finish. So that's all taken care of. To give you guys the headlights, I didn't even show you guys the headlights. These things are icy, bro. Iced out. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Iced out, bruh. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Making some progress. Just gotta clean all this crap up right here. I got the new ones inside. Let's see if I can show you guys. But they are right there. I might do these at Randy's house since my quick jacks are over there. Randy will say they're his, but Randy's also so can't be listening to what I say these days. Next up, I have to remove this grill and respray this grill, and then yeah, we'll be good. I have every single thing. I have every grill removed. It's all getting painted. Masked off the emblem. Hit it with some black paint, some flat black paint. We don't do that gloss stuff over here, partner. We don't do that over here. So that's being painted. This is still drying. Now this is back together. Look at the ice. Look at the ice. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. I do gotta get new fog lights. Mine's are switchbacks and one of them are failing. If you follow me on my Zosh MFG page, then you would know that I just released this new shirt. Sick, right? I know it's sick. It's waiting for you to pick it up. Come on, man. Come on, bruh. What a brother gotta do to sell some t-shirts? Lacquer thinner is the truth. This right here has been my best friend of restoring what was once black, then turned gray. So I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of what I'm doing. I don't know if you can notice, but this is now black. This is not black. You see the difference? Yeah, it's all on my valve. I got overspray on the valve cover, the fuel line, the coolant lines, AC line. Before it starts raining, because it's about to get down, I'm gonna see how much. Is it already raining? Okay, it's not raining yet, but I'm gonna try and get this taken care of. And that, my friends, is the best that I could do without removing everything. So I cleaned up all the main contact points that you would see such as valve cover, radiator top, battery, ECU, cover, lines, hoses, all that. So, hey brother, we got new headlights, we got this cleaned up, we got the grill painted, ducks, fog light covers painted, stuff all on the ground. I'm in dirt. I'm going through it, guys. But next on the list is these two things. Fender liners need to be replaced, and I also have a package in that thing right there that we received from HPS, which I was gonna send back, but I think I'm going to include it in this build, which I don't think I am. I know I'm going to include it. So sweet, guys, we're working with something. But yeah, it's a lot better. It is a lot better.
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chilling in the desert, I'm good under pressure. Stick around, let me hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground, with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown.
And there you have it. Today's install, well, not today's install. This video's install has been completed. Painted the lower fog light housing, the bottom grill, the top grill, and got new headlights installed. This is all in episode 1 of the Fit Rebuild. Now, don't get discouraged, all right? I got more in the works, as in next video, I will be replacing the fender liners, both front and back, while cleaning up the back and reinstalling, but installing front new ones, because, hey, brother, these things is not quite gangsta, nor player. So they gots to go. And I also think I'm going to do the process of starting to fix the paint, do a paint correction on it, like sand it, not sand it, but clay it and polish it out and see how good we can get this paint to be shining. So when this car ends up on your driveway, you're like, damn.
Zosh said it wasn't SEMA quality, and he was right. It's all right.
That's what I'm going for. Hey, brother, it's a Honda Fit. It's a 2013 Fit that I had painted, okay? So it ain't perfect. It's not a perfect car. I put 20,000 miles on it in 2 years, 10,000 miles per year. And it's time to let it go, because I have finally obtained one of my dream cars, and I'm so excited to share that with you. But before I do that, I have to say goodbye to this 2013 Honda Fit Sport. So if you will do me the honors and head to Zosh MFG to grab your entries, every $3 you spend on my website will grant you 1 entry into taking home my Fit. But what do you think? Does it look good? I think this car looks great. I do, however, have to paint what's faded up here. I gotta clean all this up. Somehow this is not faded, but everything else is faded. So I gotta make this go from ashy to classy. Yeah. That's what your boy gots to do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's more to come. I'm sorry if this video was short, lame, boring, all that. I have to push content so I can get this car gone so you guys can see the new car. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, all that bullshit. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.